So I'm cooking pork 1.5 kilo, 1 kg and a half. So I'll make with dry bamboo shoot. This one I love already. I hot water and I put it here. Pani kurumbrana. Although sometimes we have to keep it with hot water. Alright, to dry chili. I'll fry it. So now I have to I'll put in pork. So today my pork is very simple. I'll put some chili powder, dry chili. That's it. I'll not put anything. No tomato. Only I'll put ginger garlic. So I'm not going any oil or oil nakalivo. I have to try this water. Ite to pani na livo. I only cook 45 minutes. To ite utu chili to halitivo. Itu dry chili to fry korina halilena. Taste ala kasi. To ina now I'll not put water. This I only put before water, but now I have to try. Pani na halivo. I have kuri oil wala le diyo. I'm not eating any tomato and all, only chili and then ginger garlic. That's it. Ginger garlic itiya na livo. I'll put when after done. Oh shit. Pani itu suka hole dibo na aro yate fat dera oil la le dibo aro pani tu na thali ho iti ase cook kuri wale na pani halia la ase. So I have to cook ite ida sabo lage because after trying water na it will be for me. And I'll add 5 king chili. If not spicy, then extra. Look, cook roll the water. Wala na smidge ko na rin. Because I already cooked pork, so I need some veggies also. So I'm just boiling water. This akoni I put from Humda Magdalene. Tigmapo and tomato, 1 tomato, and I hate too much chili, green chili, and then I'll put some pendi, my favorite. I really like cooking. No, actually when we have to cook some dry, we need some gravy. Some beans and squash and then some salty salt. And some ajnamtar for gravy. Smell looks so good. I have to cook a little long time. I want to cook this more. I want more crispy. I want more fried. So again, I have to cook long time. I want to try all this fat. I will fry again like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. And after some time, I'll put bamboo shoot. I have to cook long time. Yummy pork curry. See, right now it's almost, the oil has came out. But I want it more crispy, so again I have to cook hours, 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So right now I'll add my dry bamboo shoot. Fishy tasty, I say, very tasty but very difficult to cook this. It takes long process because I have to flame down. Oh my god, I think I cooked 3 hours or 4 hours. Tasty but cooking is difficult. Then let me get some ginger, garlic and king chili here. Then I have to fry long them. So yummy. I have to try this bamboo shoot also, dry bamboo shoot. I put some chili powder also. Again, I have to cook long time. After done only, I'll put machinga. So after done, we'll see you. Oh my gosh! Finally, my curry has done. My pork curry has done. So yummy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Very tasty, but it takes long time. I think for other, I don't know, but for me, it's, oh my god, crispy. Oh my god. So last is the machinga. I can't wait to eat. Okay, bye bye. And now my curry has done. Okay. Oh, smell it. Okay, bye. Done.